We're gonna take the air cleaner off. The housing has to come out as well. So we got a couple snap clamps here, and we've got our clamp over here. And undo this connector right here. Pull that out of the way. It rolls backward.
Oh, I get you.
Let's pull that, the air cleaner out. Housing is just held in with some rubber grommets here.
To be able to pull it right up and out.
Yeah. This is the overflow line for the surge tank, and this is going to have to come out as well. And this is just sitting in the slide.
It just pulls right up and out.
There's a little lock right here. It's locking into, and let's just slide down both of them. Right here, you just squish down on this.
Okay.
Right there, and it comes off.
Sure.
Now there's a tab that's holding this on down here somewhere. Right here, it's this little plug right here.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna push that with our little tool here. Try and get it so that it doesn't break.
Good luck with that. The book says he breaks it.
Hey. Well, luckily it's red hot, Tony. It's nice and flexible.
Yeah.
Right?
Just get off the interstate.
Didn't break.
Hey, there you go.
Did not break. Okay, so we got that disconnected. 5/16 here and 5/16 over there. I'm going old school with my old air ratchet.
So taking off the splash guard in the front, let's put the petcock facing the wrong way, put a bunch of cheap freaking rivets in it. We'll call it a day. That's Chrysler for you. And we don't sell auto parts like some of the other guys on YouTube. We're just having fun and showing you how to fix shit. Right,
exactly.
Steve? So we can say whatever the hell we want.
And this is what we call having fun.
Yeah, this is what we call having fun the Jeep way. So we got two more plastic rivets on the other side. There's one on this end, and then there's one down the other end as well.
Yeah, and if they don't come out, just cut them and replace them. See, this one more on thread. Let's try the other one. I'm trying to hope that they unthread a little bit so you can get underneath them. And if you can't, like this one's just spinning in there. We're just gonna cut them.
Okay. So you should have 3 plugs at the bottom of this holding the fan motor in.
It attaches
Assembly.
to the fan motor. It's like the little
Yeah.
dust shield here, and you're gonna pop these out because it's going through the plastic of the fan shroud, and it stopped us from pulling the fan up.
And then I'm missing one on one end.
Yeah, I'm gonna put another one in. One done.
Everything's nice and plasticky. There you go. All right,
Okay,
so
so there's 2 of these.
yeah,
One's broke, so now the fan's loose.
yeah.
So we can go up and take the fan out. All right, so we can take our fan out now. We got our feet down here with dropping the fan into. You want to start that one? That was slow. Okay, that's that. Our electrical connector that comes around here, and we have the little plug right here for this button plug to fit in. Plug our connector in. We heard the magic click. We're good. We got the surge tank in here. It locks down into the shroud here. You just gotta find the notches.
There you go.
It just locks into place. And the hose came around and clipped in over here. Adjust it up nice. All right, that's in. Now we'll get the hose clamp in. The fan is tight, the radiator is all tight. Just have the 3 rubber grommets that you're gonna just find your way to line up. Okay, those are all lined up. And we got the air filter that Tony's gonna buy a new one.
It's perfectly fine.
Just blow it out, right? Yeah.
It's like a t-shirt. You wear it inside out and it's clean again. Or is that a pair of underwear?
Stop scaring me here, people. Okay.
Hey, I've had people asking on the channel, why don't we swear?
Why do we?
Why don't we? I usually edit all that out. We'll have to have a behind the scenes clip.
Yeah.
There you go, I heard it.
Yeah. Clean the housing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's back on tape. Got our electrical connector here. Plug it in, slide the lock down. Okay, it's tight. I set this in. There it is.
So putting these little button plugs at the bottom of the radiator.
Oh, we're missing one, but we're gonna get one for it.
Yeah, I'll have to get one for it. There's 3.
Yeah, we got another one for that. Put those in there, and then we got the shield to put on. But while we get the shield, we're gonna take advantage of it. We're gonna grease the front end on it. Tony's gonna squeeze the service out of me too, so we'll get this done and grease it. Then we'll put this on. We have a few button plugs, big button plugs that were broken. We have to cut off, so we're gonna put some new ones on there.
So putting the front splash guard back on.
Trying to find this hole with that pain.
Yeah, and on the back there's those 2 tabs. There's one. There's one over here.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, so I'm putting all the push back and pins back into the front splash shield, and was there about 6 of them?
There's 4 in the front.
4 in the front.
Yeah, and then there's 2 on the back
The
side.
2 we showed you on the back side.
And
So
they're real fat.
yeah.
Yeah, we get these are locking on, so we're good. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. We only had 3 original ones that we could save. It's tighter than it was, I'll tell you that. So.
So that's it, guys. Another repair done. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment or reply back.